Today we will discuss some problems relating to spherical mirror. First, let us discuss some problems on concave mirror. An object 4 centimeter in size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed in order to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and size of the image. So given focal length is equal to 15 centimeter, so center of curvature will be equal to 30 centimeter. Object distance given 25 centimeter, so object will lie in between focus and center of curvature. So if the object will lie in between focus and center of curvature, then the image will be formed beyond center of curvature. So by applying mirror formula 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f and substituting the values of u and f, you will get v equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. So the image will be formed at minus 37.5 centimeter on the same side of the object. Then using the formula for magnification, m is equal to h dash by h, that is equal to minus v by u, and putting the value of v, u and h, you will get h dash is equal to minus 6 centimeter. Object size is 4 centimeter and image size is 6 centimeter. So image will be larger. So the nature of the image will be magnified, inverted and real. Next problem. A concave mirror is produced 3 times magnified real image of an object placed at 10 centimeter in front of it. Where is the image located? The image is real and magnified means the object is placed in between f and c. Using the formula m is equal to minus v by u and putting the value of v u is equal to minus 10, magnification given is 3, v will be equal to minus 30 centimeter. Okay, so the image will be located at 30 centimeter from the mirror on the same side of the object. Next problem. The image formed by a concave mirror is observed to be virtual, erect and larger than the object. Where should the position of the object? So the position of the object will be between the pole of the mirror and its principal focus. Next problem. We wish to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. What should be the range of distance of the object from the mirror? What is the nature of the image? Is the image larger or smaller than the object? Draw a ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. We know in concave mirror an erect image will be formed if the object will be placed in between pole and focus. Here focus is given 15 centimeter. So the object distance, the object should lie in between 0 and 15 centimeter for an erect virtual image. The nature of the image is virtual, magnified, erect, and the image is larger than the object. The ray diagram is given here. Next problem. The magnification produced by a plane mirror is +1. What does this mean? This means the image formed is virtual, erect and of the same size as that of the object. Next problem. An object of size 7 centimeter is placed at 27 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of focal length 18 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should a screen be placed so that a sharp focused image can be obtained? Find the size and nature of the image. Here focal length is given 18 centimeter. So center of curvature will be 36 centimeter. Object distance is given 27 centimeter. So object will lie in between focus and center of curvature. So the image will be formed beyond center of curvature. Using the mirror formula and putting all these values, u, f, will get v. So v will be equal to 54 centimeter. So image will be formed at 54 centimeter on the object side. Using the formula for magnification, m equal to hi by ho, that is equal to minus v by u, and putting the value of ho object height, you can get magnification value 2 centimeter. So image size will be 7 into 2, 14 centimeter. So the nature of the image is magnified, real and inverted. Now we will discuss some problems on convex mirror. The first problem, a convex mirror used for rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. If a boss is located at 5 meter from the mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. Given radius of curvature 3 meter, so focal length will be equal to radius of curvature divided by 2, that is equal to 1.5 meter. Object distance is given 5 meter. Using the mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, and putting the value of f and u, you can get the value of v, that is equal to 1.15 meter. So the image will be formed at 1.15 meter at the back of the mirror. Using the formula for magnification, m equal to hi by ho, that is equal to minus v by u, and putting this value of v and u, you will get 0.23. Okay, so the magnification is 0.23. That means the nature of the image is smaller, reduced. So image is virtual, erect and smaller in size by factor of 0.23. Next problem, an object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a convex mirror of focal length 15 cm. Find the position and nature of the image. Here the object distance is given 10 cm, focal length is given 15 cm. Using the mirror formula, 1 by v plus 1 by u equal to 1 by f, and putting the value of u and f, you will get v. V will be equal to 6 cm. So the image will be formed at 6 cm behind the mirror, and magnification m is equal to hi by ho, that is equal to minus v by u, and putting the value of v and u, you will get magnification is equal to 0.6. So it is less than 1. So nature of the image is virtual, erect and diminished. Next problem, an object 5 cm in length is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Find the position of the image, its nature and size. So here given u equal to 20 cm, radius of curvature 30 cm, focal length will be equal to radius of curvature divided by 2, 15 cm. Using mirror formula and putting all these values, you can get v equal to 8.6 cm. So the image will be formed 8.6 cm behind the mirror, as you can see from this ray diagram. Using the formula for magnification, m equal to hi by ho, that is equal to minus v by u, and putting all these values, you can get magnification is equal to 0.43, less than 1. So hi will be equal to 5 into this 0.43, that is equal to 2.2. So image size is 2.2 centimeter. So nature of the image is virtual, erect and reduced. We will discuss more problems in the on spherical mirror in my next video. Thank you.